Here's how to move text in Premiere Pro. So this is my video footage. Now I'm selecting the text tool and just typing my text here. Now highlight your text, and from this right hand menu you can go ahead and increase your text size. Also you can make your text bold and you can change your text font from here. Once you're happy with your text, select the move tool and you can move your text just like this. Now after selecting the text layer, and before that make sure to increase your text clip duration, then select the text layer and go to effect controls, and here select position. Enable keyframe for position, and you have to increase this value until your text hide. Just increase this value for position. So here my text is now completely hidden. After that, move your playhead at the end of your clip, and now you have to decrease this value. So I'm giving here -1,500, and now I'm just playing my timeline, and here we can see I have moving text. If you want to increase the moving text speed, you can just decrease the text clip layer length, and here we have a faster moving text.